Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I have my very first Wantable active edit to share with you. Now, I have done Wantable many times in the past. I've done the regular style edits. I actually think I have another one on the way. I didn't mean to order one. I must have signed up for the monthly one my last box somehow. I don't know. Things happen, right? But after I posted my last style edit, a couple of you had actually asked if I ever tried the active edit, and I hadn't. And I thought, you know what, let me give it a try. It's summertime. I usually walk more in the summertime, and we're home a little bit more. So the active edit has, your loungewear and your active wear. So I'm excited to show you what's in this box. There are some really promising pieces, and the price points were not too bad. Some of the things were a little bit pricey, and some of the things were more than I usually would pay for this type of clothing, but we're gonna try it. We're gonna see how it works, and I will be right back, and we're gonna start with the try on right away. So hang on one second. Okay, so I have the first two pieces on. We'll start from the top and work our way down. The top is by the brand Interval. It's the mesh open back tank in burgundy, extra large, $42. It's 94% rayon, 3% spandex, and 3% polyester. I love the color. I think the color is absolutely gorgeous. You know I love burgundy. The length is pretty good. I don't care for the neckline. Yeah, you know me, I like necklines that are a little bit lower. It doesn't have to be too low, but just a little bit lower, especially if I'm walking. I'm not gonna wanna wear something that's tight. It's not tight to my neck. It's very lightweight. I just want something a little bit lower. That's what I'm trying to say. But it's not bad. I love the color. I'm gonna come, I don't think you're gonna be able to see it, but the top, they're calling it a mesh top. It has these very subtle, faint, like black dots because it's mesh. And it makes it very breathable too. I think it's cute, but just the neckline bothers me. So yeah, now the back has an open back, which is very cute too. Normally I shy away from those, but this one's not bad. If the neckline had worked, I would have liked it. Now you will see my bra bands in the back because I didn't change out to wear a special bra. So you will see it, just warning you. But yeah, let me show you the back. So yeah, I like it, but I just don't love the neckline. So I'm gonna pass on this one. Let's talk about the shorts. Now the shorts are by the brand, I think it was Colosseum. Let me just grab the paper so I can tell you. Yeah, Colosseum, the Lucy short in black, extra large, $30. Now these were a poly rayon spandex blend too. They're just a pair of black shorts. They're very comfortable. They do have a tie waistband. An elastic waistband. I don't know what the inseam is. It doesn't say it on the paper. It did not say it on the tag either. I do like them. The length I'm pretty comfortable with, except on the side. I'm not sure if they cut a little bit too short on the side. See where it kind of comes in a little bit? And I don't normally wear shorts when I'm walking. I usually wear like the Capri type of legging, which I think I have a pair in here, but I'm not opposed to wearing them. I just haven't found a pair that really works for me, but I like these. I'm on the fence. Did I tell you they have pockets too, which I really like? So it's a good pair of like lounging shorts too, maybe for just around like the house or the backyard. I don't know. Let me show you the back of them. I'm gonna have to watch back and see what I think, and then I'll make my decision. So I'm on the fence about these. All right, let me change into the next top. Okay, so next top is by the brand Alternative Apparel. It's the Weathered Slub Sporty Tank Top in washed black. Fancy name for gray. Extra large, $28, and what am I missing? Oh, it's 100% cotton. I like this top. I just don't know if I love it. You gotta wear a special bra because you can tell my bra straps are showing. But otherwise, I like the cut of this top. I like the length of this top. It's very comfortable. It's very breathable. I really like it, and I love the gray. I'm calling it gray. I know they called it weathered black, but I'm calling it gray. Yeah. Let's just go with it, right? I really do like it. I don't know about the top part of it. I don't know. I do like the overall cut of it, like I said. A very good top for walking. It's hot today. It's humid today, so maybe on a day like today, it'd be a good top for. Let me show you the back of it. Yeah, so what do you think? It's not bad. I know. She's not getting excited when I say walk because she doesn't like to walk. I don't know what it is. She gets scared. She'll get to like the corner of the street and then she'll just stop. She'll lay down. I know. I don't know what's wrong with her. All right. I'll be right back with the next top. I'm not sure about this one. I haven't made up my mind. The cost is only $28, which is not bad. I would just have to wear a special bra with this one. That's the only thing. Now, I don't know. Let me know what you think about it. I do love the color. I do like the cut. So this one is a maybe. All right, I'm going to change to the next one. Okay, so this next top is really cute. I like this one. This is by Threads for Thought. It's the Venus Camo Printed Tank in Bittersweet, extra large, $34. The colors, bittersweet, huh? I love the names of these colors. And what am I missing? Did I tell you it's an extra large, $34, and it's 100% organic cotton. My friends Kristen and Janine are going to love this top. They love their camel print, and I'm really loving it lately too. I think it's really fun. It's really got like shades of red and burgundy in it. I think it's so fun. The neckline's not bothering me. That's a plus, right? I like the cut of this. I like the length of this top. It's a little bit longer, which I really like. So yeah, this one's gonna stay with me. This one's not going anywhere. I really, really like this one. So it'll be great for walking. Let me show you the back of it. Yeah, I like it. I'm so happy with this. This one is mine. It's so comfortable, very breathable. What do you think, Kristen and Janine? I love it. Yep, so fun. I love the colors. I think the colors are so pretty. It's not like your typical olive print, you know, camo, your green camo. So I think it adds a little bit of a special touch to the camo print. All right, this one is staying. Easy, right? Let me change into the next. What do I have? I think I have 2 more tops maybe, and I have a pair of leggings. So hang on one second. Okay, so next top is a sweatshirt. This is by Interval by Wantable. This is the Humankind Pullover in Heather Gray, extra large, $60. The material is 64% rayon, 32% polyester, and 4% spandex. It's cute. So it says Humankind, and I really do like it. I just don't know that I need it right now because it's warm, you know, it's summertime, and I don't pull for sweatshirts too much, so I have my absolute favorites, and they're not ready to be replaced yet. So I don't think I need this one, though it is very cute. Yeah, I don't know. It's very soft, very warm. The arms are a little bit long. Oh, wait a minute. I went like this. Look at. They're thumb holes. Oh, okay. I still don't think I need this one. I do like the length of it. It's very, very soft. I just don't need it, so I'm gonna send it back, but I think if you like this type of sweatshirt and you need this type of sweatshirt, if I needed it, I'd keep it. But like I said, I have my favorites and I wouldn't pull for this one, but I'll still show you the back of it. But yeah, this one's gonna go back. Comfy, comfy, very comfy. All right, I'm gonna change. I've got 2 more things to show you, so hang on. All right, so the next top is by Alternative Apparel. It's the Ideal Eco Jersey Tee in Eco Black, extra large, $28. The material, 50% polyester, 38% cotton, and 12% spandex. I like this tee. I think it fits great. I like the scoop neckline of it. They're calling this black. I'm calling it gray. I'm going against all of the color names, aren't I, today? I really think that, well, I know this is gray, but they're calling it black, so we're going with black. If you want this tee, you gotta say you want it in black because they're saying this is black. I like the sleeve length. It is short sleeves. I really like the sleeve length. And I like the length of the top itself. It comes to about right here. I have the black leggings on. So what do you think? I think it has a nice cut to it, a good walking top too, breathable, comfortable. So yeah, I think this one might stay with me too. Let me show you the back of it. Yeah, I like it. I really do. I love the color. It almost has like a heathered kind of gray look, you know, but we're calling it black. All right, so yeah, I think $28 isn't too bad, but I know you can go get a t-shirt, I know, at like Target or Walmart. But this is a little bit better quality for walking. And if you're looking for that type of stuff, like if you're very into activewear and you invest your money in activewear, not invest your money, but you know what I mean? If you invest a little bit more in your activewear, then it could be worth it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep this one. All right, let me turn the camera down and I'll talk about the capris. Okay, so here are the capris. Now these are by MPG Sport. They are the Step Up Capri legging in black, extra large, $44. I totally forgot to look at the material, so I apologize. If you want to know the material, I'll try to remember to put it below in the description box where I list all of the items and their prices. These are very comfortable. Let me just put the sheet down. They're very comfortable. They fit well. They are a high-waisted legging. They kind of suck everything in a little bit as much as they can, right? I do like the capri length. I don't wear a lot of capris as far as like my regular everyday, you know, dress up for work. but for walking and things like that, I always pull for the capris in the summer. I don't know why. I like them. What do you think? They've got a lot of stretch. I may keep these. I'm not positive. Let me know what you think. I gotta watch back and see what they look like. But I do think, like, sometimes capris, I know it doesn't really matter too much for like the walking or workout type of wear or lounge wear, but sometimes capris don't hit me at the right spot. I think these are pretty good, right? Let me know what you think. All right, I'll be right back. We'll do a quick recap. Okay, I thought this was a great first active edit for me. So it does look like if you keep 5 or more, just like the regular style edit, that you get 20% off for keeping 5 or more. And then if you keep anything in the box, you get your $20 styling fee credited to anything that you keep. So I am not going to keep 5 items. I know that for sure. I think there's 3 I'm going to keep, maybe 4, but probably 3. Let me just show you, although I'm not going to keep this burgundy top, it is very pretty. I just don't care for the neckline. I want to show you the mesh detailing. Isn't it fun? I really like that, but I'm so bummed. I think if it was a V-neck, I know, I just love my V-necks. I think if it was a V-neck or even a lower scoop neck, then I would have kept it. I just don't care for the neckline. So this one's gonna go back. Now, the 3 things that I'm gonna keep, I'm not gonna show you everything I'm not gonna keep. I just wanna show you the detail in this top. The 3 things that I'm leaning toward keeping, I know I'm gonna keep this top, the camo top. I love this camo top. I think it's so fun. And then I think I'm gonna keep this gray tee. Well, the black tee. The black tee, but I'm calling it gray. Yep. So I think I'm gonna keep this. I really did like the color of this. I liked the fit of it and I liked the feel of it, the material. So I think I'm gonna keep that. And I think I'm gonna keep the leggings. I really liked the leggings. I like the way that they feel. I need another pair of leggings like this. I have some, but they're kind of wearing out and it's time for some new ones. So I think I'm gonna get these. Let me know what you think. Is there anything else I should keep? I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna send back that gray tank. I think it was the second thing I tried on. Didn't love it. I loved the color and I loved the cut. It's just the neck part. I don't know. Let me know. All right, if you've tried Wantable Active Edit, let me know what you thought of the pieces. I think I'm gonna get another one, not right away, but I will eventually because it was fun and it's great to add some new pieces here and there for the lounge wear, for the, walking or whatever exercise that you do. So thank you so much for watching and for spending some time with me today. I really appreciate it. I hope you're all having a wonderful day and I will see you in my next video.